Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new world where innovation, technology, and beauty unite to create a masterpiece. Yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy S26, a phone that doesn't just continue the legacy, it redefines it. So stay with me till the very end of this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to ProMonk, because what you're about to witness will completely change the way you think about smartphones. The Galaxy S26 represents the dawn of a new era in mobile technology. Samsung has once again pushed the limits of what's possible, crafting a device that feels less like a phone and more like a glimpse into the future. From its refined design to its lightning-fast performance, everything here screams perfection. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S26 introduces a brand new Infinity Fusion display, a seamless edge-to-edge screen that melts perfectly into the frame. The bezels, practically invisible. The glass, a special next-generation Gorilla Armor 2.0 that not only resists scratches but minimizes reflections under harsh sunlight. The feeling when you hold it? Pure luxury. Every curve, every edge has been sculpted with surgical precision. Now, let's talk performance, the heartbeat of this beast. At its core lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip, built on a 3nm architecture. This chip is more than just powerful, it's efficient, smart, and designed to handle AI like never before. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or multitasking across multiple apps, the S26 runs smoother than silk. Samsung's new AI engine Pro learns your usage patterns, optimizes performance in real time, and even manages battery consumption intelligently. The result, a phone that feels alive, adapting to you, predicting what you need, and always staying one step ahead. Speaking of visuals, the Dynamic AMOLED 3X display is simply breathtaking. It supports a 1:144 Hz adaptive refresh rate and peaks at an incredible 4000 nits of brightness. Colors look true to life, blacks are deeper than ever, and every frame feels cinematic. Watching movies or playing games on this screen is like carrying a mini IMAX in your pocket. In the camera system, this is where Samsung truly flexes its muscles. The quad vision camera array on the back features a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens offering up to 10 times optical zoom. But numbers alone don't tell the story. Each lens is powered by AI photon processing, enabling studio-grade clarity in any light. Night photography has never been this clear. With the new night fusion algorithm, every shot bursts with detail, even in pitch darkness. Faces appear more natural, colors more accurate, and shadows more realistic. Video recording, up to 8K HDR at 60 FPS, supported by Block Stabilization 3.0, ensuring every shot remains smooth and cinematic no matter how shaky your hands are. Turn to the front, and the 40-megapixel under-display camera gives you the cleanest full-screen look ever. No punch hole, no distractions, just pure immersive display.